Hello everyone, Storm101 here. Today we'll be starting with our tornado / severe weather coverage today. Now we're going to get started with what's going on right now. This is the area to watch here near Bentonia. There is a tornado warning on it. I do have radar scope, but it's not on my PC. It's actually on my phone. So if you want to see the velocities and everything like that, go ahead and follow me on Twitter. It is Storm_101. If you search that up, just like a shelf cloud, just like on my YouTube one. So go ahead and take a look at that at the velocity. I just retweeted from somebody. They're showing the velocities. There's a pretty good velocity on that, and this storm's going to be pushing northeast. If we can get to that radar image here, we're going to have to go back on this here. We'll zoom things back out here. We're going to go ahead and so yeah, anybody joining the stream, welcome to this here. Yeah, there we go. Here's your tornado warning there. I don't know what counties it's going to go in for, but I do know there's a tornado warning just in there. Here's local radar here for you guys to get better base reflectivity. I'm going to go ahead and pull up here. Zoom in for you guys. It's going to be just northwest of Jackson. It's where it is. Just northwest of Jackson. Hello, Middle Tennessee Rough-In. Welcome to the stream. So there you go. Here, I want me to pause this really quick. Come on. Alright, so here we go here with this storm right in here. See here, we got a well-defined hook right in there. We're going to go ahead and get my pen out. Right in here. It's going to be for this cell right in here. It's going to be, here, let me guess, you know what, let's make this smaller. That is way too big. Go down by 3 there. It's up in bright. Let's do purple. So it's this cell in particular. It's going to be moving northeast. So it'll be getting towards Interstate 55 here very shortly. These storms are going to be fast movers, moving nearly 60 miles per hour. So we're going to see here. Will the cell die once it gets to Baxter, Tennessee? Well, this is not really anywhere close to Tennessee for this cell here in particular. Just northwest of Jackson. So there's Jackson. So Tennessee is very far away. It's actually a good amount of miles. There's Tennessee for you. Here's your thunderstorm there. And we even got cells developing over at Alabama. So let me go ahead and take a look at velocities on my phone here. See here, so base velocity, I think that's it. No, that's not. I'm trying to find, I'm learning this. I'm learning it. There we go. Okay, it's not quite in Memphis area. Hold on. It's probably on the Jackson area here. So let's go down to Mississippi. Yeah, there we go. Jackson. Oh yeah, we do have some rotation in there. In particular. So it's going to be going right towards Interstate 55. it also seems like it'll reach to Pixins. They are, if you're in Pixins, Mississippi, you're not in a tornado warning, but it is going towards you, so you gotta be prepared for this storm here as it moves, as it continues to move northeast. There's that. There, I got two different radars for you guys. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go ahead and take a screenshot here for you guys. Get my pen out here. It's this area, right in there. Then I could go ahead and take a screenshot there. I'm going to put it on Twitter here. So it should take not too much time. There, also put it in a circle with the area to watch in there. That's what y'all can't see on YouTube, but if you go to my Twitter, you know what, I should probably put that down. Here, hold on, guys. I'll go here. Get onto Twitter here. Can't really give y'all a link here because it doesn't show it to me. Tell everybody's already on it right now. Alright, here y'all go. There's your all's first tornado warning. You can see there's some good rotation right in that circle there. That's the area to watch. Right in there. So yeah. And there's another storm behind it that's actually got some rotation here. Alrighty. Just behind that. Well, I'm not seeing any areas of rotation. Seems like we're going to have to watch these two cells here. So the tornado warning the tornado warning polygon is out for Bentonia. You're under the clear, but you got another cell behind that started to see some rotation behind that as well. If you got any questions here, go ahead and put that in the chat there. It's extremely dark wall clouds. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it's windy too as well, since the warm front is fast. As of right now, for my area, it's going to be staying cloudy. It's starting to get a little bit windy, so the warm front is a little bit close now. Wherever we get into that warm front, I'll see some really gusty winds. I really do. So let's go ahead and go back to here. We can go ahead and exit that off now. So I'm looking on my phone as well. I'm going to plug this in so it'll stay charged throughout the whole stream. There we go. Perfect. So this live stream is probably expected to go for a while. That's what it really seems like. Here, I'll take another screenshot for you guys to see what's behind this here. So these severe thunderstorm warnings are mainly for the damage wind threat. You can see damage winds up to probably nearly 70 miles per hour at times. so it's gonna be very windy. See here, oh yeah, I could show y'all right now. There's your another area of rotation. It's actually back at Vicksburg. So let's go ahead and zoom out here. If y'all seen on Twitter earlier, I've had hatched an area. This is reaching near Louisville right now. It's this area here in particular. We actually maybe even getting a squall one developing right here. Yeah, it really is looking like that. That could be a severe line of thunderstorms that could be bringing some gusty winds. Alright, that is an area to watch. There. Alright, let me go ahead and put your pin out. I'm going to tell you where the fronts are as of right now. So we are, so purple, you see a occluded front? Shoot, that's not even big enough. There's going to be a lot of stuff to talk about. Hopefully this stream won't be too boring. So I'm giving you all some details here. So there you go. Here's your occluded front. Right in it. That's in the purple. Your warm front looks to be going in like this. Right in there. And here's your cold front going on back in here. It's what it's looking like for right now. Your blue is cold front. Put your triangles on there. And things like the cold front's about to pass Memphis, so Memphis, you're pretty much in the clear of all this, but not for the areas in front of the cold front. Not just yet. Yeah, I think the warm front goes like this, too. Pretty much. So there you go. Right there. So the warm front's not here yet for my area. So we're going to watch and see in a little bit. Alrighty, radar just updated the... Oh yeah, that is going to be another supercell. They're going to issue another tornado warning. So, Bentonia. So this is the area to watch right now because there's about to be another tornado warning area. Around Vicksburg. Let me go ahead and hit play on this. And let me go ahead and take this screenshot here really quick. Give me a second, I'll show you all that. And there's a storm behind it. So there y'all go. So there's seems like the area on the northern side of the storm. Yes, there is still rotation on that. If we go ahead and go back to the Storm Prediction Center here, if we take a look at storm reports, this is how I know if there's a tornado or not. There is no tornado reports or wind or hail reports on this here. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that. There. See if we got any areas. We're going to watch. Okay. There's a severe thunderstorm warning for Tuscaloosa right now. So, if you're in Tuscaloosa right now, be prepared to be hit by a severe thunderstorm. So, letting you guys know that if you live in Tuscaloosa. So, things are getting really active quick. There's even rotation on that cell as well. I should probably retweet that so y'all people will know. I was really like, he's awesome. Let's see what this is. A relative weakness, low level of shear has limited potential for storm scale rotation. However, low level of shear severe risk is forecasted to increase. There you go. Here's your rotation behind it. There you go. It's coming up very quick. Here's your main storm right there, moving very fast. It's moving extremely quickly. It seems like there's going to be a hail core in Tuscaloosa there. So we're going to have to watch and see what's going to happen here. I'm going to look around the area there in particular, see if there's any other tornado warnings yet. Okay, we do have a severe thunderstorm warning in Tennessee. This is going to be west of Nashville. Notifications. Alright, it seems like it should probably push up to the little bit north and east in a little bit. Here, let's go back there. And zoom out here. So your severe thunderstorm warning is right here for the squall line here. Expect winds probably going to be reaching near or over 70 miles per hour because it is starting to show a bow echo. Whenever that happens, you get some very damaging wind gusts there. We got a lot of lightning going up in Murray there. And let's pause this and make it move forward. Here. While up in Kentucky, we got a couple of thunderstorms. One near Hopkinsville and another one by Hadford. So your warm front is starting to move rapidly to the north. There's your squall line right there. That's an area to watch in there. And not save changes. We're going to move down here now. How come this does not show any tornado warning stuff yet? That's weird. Well, that is very strange here. Meanwhile, you got a lot of flash flood warnings issued for parts of Memphis going up into Kentucky. There we got more flash flood warnings around the Knoxville area, so a lot of flash flooding going on up in there. It seems like the rotation for the Bentonia storm, I guess that's how I pronounce it, is starting to dissipate. But the behind it is starting to have a better rotation with it. We may even have a secondary area of rotation just north of that. So that is starting to become kind of ridiculous. So that storm we gotta watch. Oh yeah, there is a hook on it. Hold on. Yeah, there is a hook. It's going over the Mississippi River right now. That's a good hook. Very interesting. We go ahead and go, let's see. Birmingham radar. Okay. Let me go and show this to you guys right there. This is a let you use pen. That's awesome about this app. Go ahead and put this on Twitter here. On my phone here for you guys. So there you go there. It's really nice for them to have that going on. If we have another tornado, if we should have another tornado warning issued that's crossing the Mississippi River, because that's starting to become pretty good rotation. There's another storm behind that as well. Severe thunderstorm warning on the Arkansas side, that will be passing over the river shortly. We're going to watch that squall line, though. That's going to be something else there. Actually, y'all could probably see it. Oh, man, you barely can see it. Oh, there's the back side of it. That's pretty darn close for y'all to see that. Oh, man. I'm waiting for a tornado warning to be issued. Go down to Mississippi on this thing. Jackson. That rotation is becoming pretty broad, so yeah. So if you're in like Bentonia, where y'all were just in a tornado warning earlier, well, you got a storm following in behind it, but that might miss you all to the north. So severe thunderstorm warnings are really sparking over. Kentucky may get a severe thunderstorm watch because of that squall line, or they can just issue a tornado warning for parts of southern Kentucky there, because that squall line is going to be something else. Oh boy, that is going to be big time. We put it in play there. Probably look at chat too. See what y'all gotta say. What's the chance of tornadoes in Tennessee for tonight? Well, basically, the tornado threat will. So the tornadoes in Tennessee. I mean, right now there's no. As of right now, there's no tornado warnings for Tennessee, but I'm pretty sure there is a chance for a few tornadoes tonight for parts of central and western Tennessee there. So, yeah. Those are your chances there. That thing up there, the watching thing up there, is not accurate. If I go on my phone here, there's more than one person watching. Hopefully I can get some people on here to watch this, because if I don't get a lot of people to watch on here, then the live stream I'm doing is just useless. It could really be that. Last time I done it, it was 3 hours long, and that's a long live stream. It's because of the severe weather down in Texas last year. Oh yeah. He's only had a spike of 3 or 4 people watching it too while I was talking. Yeah, no tornado reports. There's good news there. I'm pretty sure we'll get tornadoes today. It's a bad time for it. Go ahead and unplug my phone and just look on here while y'all just, you know what, go ahead and play this, because that's an area to watch. And I'll probably switch over to see start. I don't know why it don't show the warnings. Is it broken? I don't know, refresh. Oh, I did not see there was a refresh button. Yeah, it don't show the freaking warnings. Why? Let's see. Yeah, it don't show it on here. There's severe thunderstorm warnings there right now. There's even a tornado warning on it. I don't know why it don't show it. Very weird. Very weird. Go back on my phone really quick. If you're all new to this channel here, I do stuff like this. I do winter storm updates, all that kind of weather stuff. If y'all do like it, be sure to hit the subscribe button there. I'll really appreciate it. Any new tornado warnings yet? No, there's not, but there is a new severe thunderstorm warning for the northern cell. That hook is actually starting to become something else, so there's actually, I don't see nothing there, but I'm watching this cell behind it, though. I'm not surprised there's not, I'm surprised there's not a tornado warning on that. Actually, you know what? I should probably switch over to the Nashville radar and see if there's rotation along that squall line, because there is sometimes. What's that I even mean on this thing? Oh. Okay. Nashville. No rotation there. There is no rotation. Man, their radar goes out pretty far. So yeah, it's basically the northern cell in the southern cell there. Also, we're actually getting some cells developing going into the line here, which tells me if you're going to get more and more storms getting combined to each other, it's going to get stronger, and it increases chances for tornado development. So right now, that rotation with a tornado warning storm is actually crossing Interstate 55 right now. Go back to Jackson radar. Alabama. No. Mississippi. Jackson, Mississippi. There we go. That's the area that's an area we gotta watch right now. Especially north of Vicksburg. That rotation is becoming pretty broad. Pretty good rotation in there. The northern cell, however, which is this guy right here, there's not much there. So really, the main states we got watching is actually Mississippi, Alabama, and Tennessee. Maybe Kentucky as well, if the warm front passes, which it is starting to get a little windy out here. The winds have increased a little bit in the past minutes. Here, let's see. Let's go back to base reflectivity. See where that rotation is inside the storm. Oh wow, that rotation is actually rain wrapped. That's a rain wrapped cell. And that is not good for that, though that's pretty dangerous. I think they're going to, if I was the Dash Force Service, I probably would go ahead and cancel the tornado warning for the northern storm. Right now it's not that interesting, it's just becoming a squall line. I'm really focused on the one behind it, because there's two things about it. One is there's good rotation from the velocities. Second of all, it's rain wrapped, so there's some downside of things in it. What the heck's yellow mean on there? I had no clue. I've been live streaming about 30 minutes. At some point, I'll probably have to go. No tornado reports. Okay, that rotation started to go out the severe thunderstorm warning zone. And I'm pretty sure that rotation on the northern storm has passed over 55. So right now I can say that you're all in the clear. Yazoo City, Mississippi. You're all going to have to watch this storm here. Yazoo City. Because that rotation is pretty good. It seems like the rotation is actually starting to go down a little bit. That tornado warning for the northern storm is been canceled. So there you go. Because there's no rotation whatsoever, but there is rotation and right towards Satartia, Mississippi, and they're going to have to watch this as well. Because that rotation is becoming something else. Tuscaloosa is right now getting hit by probably a hailstorm at this point. They got a severe thunderstorm warning. It has some little rotation. We'll go ahead and go back to that storm there. You know what? I should probably show y'all this image here. We're actually getting some individual cells developing in central Mississippi. South central Mississippi. Birmingham. Rotation over Tuscaloosa is pretty much past. It's now going to hit Holt, Alabama. So there's still rotation there. So Tuscaloosa is in the clear. No other rotation. Well, actually, there's. Looks like we may try to get some rotation to develop just south of Carbon Hill, Alabama. And that's west of Jasper. Go to radar that way. Oh yeah, that is a bad look to a. Okay, that's. Oh wow, that's Yeah, there is some serious damaging winds in that. I'm about to get hit by some rain, which that's the warm front. So right now the warm front's over Campbellsville, Kentucky at this point. We're at E-Town of Somerset and London. So the warm front is pretty close by. So Bowling Green of Kentucky, you're out of that wall of rain, and now you're going to have to watch this line here that's about to reach. As well, Nashville's actually got to watch that squall line. Yeah, the rotation is increasing near Jasper or Carbon Hill. Rotation near Tuscaloosa has gone down, but we get new area rotation that we gotta watch near Jasper. I gotta make my drawing a little bit better. Can I possibly use like an eraser on here, maybe? No. Fingers are too big for this. Let me try something else. Does this work? Don't. Maybe. No, it don't work. Wow. I think that looks better. Dang it, I messed up that Tuscaloosa one. There we go. There we go. I'm going to take a screenshot of this. Whoops, hold on, I accidentally. Hold on a minute. Whoops. Made a mistake here. Alright, there's a new tornado watch issue. This goes in for northern Alabama and parts of central Tennessee there until 10 p.m. Central Time. Oh, look at that. Storm moving into Tuscaloosa is clear rotating, but there's no evidence of a tornado for visual reports of radar. And there's actually a wall cloud over Tuscaloosa there. Wow. It's a mean looking storm there. Wow. There we go. So there we go. I got a feeling I'm not going to get severe weather around here, honestly. Let's see what the chief meteorologist says in my area. Yeah, there's no tornado warnings at the moment. Would not be surprised if parts of circuit get to the tornado watch. I want to take a look at the. Okay. Tennessee radar here. Nashville. Oh, like I told you, new tornado warning that goes for just north of Jasper. Look at that. Well, let me go and show you all that to you guys. If we go ahead and go to my profile here, area rotation over Tuscaloosa. Yeah, there you go. There's your rotation right there in Jasper. go ahead and issue that on my Twitter there. So let's go ahead and show y'all guys that so y'all could see it. If we go to Jasper, yeah, that's starting to be something else there. There's your Tuscaloosa storm right there. Rotation is pretty much dissipated, but we got this cell right here. Got a little bit of a hook going on. In fact, right now that rotation now around the Jackson area is kind of dissipated at this point. I'm going to zoom out here. Let's see here. I'm going to take a look at here. Move on to Central Alabama. Show you guys this. Just north of Jasper. So probably right now, if y'all watch James Spann, he's probably live right now. No detailed look to this. Yeah. Well, this one here does give radar area view here of what's going on. So we got two lines of storms there. You get your first one here, another one behind that. Look at that squall on though. It's crazy. That's gonna hit Nashville in a little bit, not for too much longer. Do we even have other people watching the stream at this point? Not really. But I'll probably just leave y'all with radar here. For the moment, it's kind of sad that I don't have much views on this. It's honestly just wasting time. It really is. See, it's 4:13 p.m. Eastern Time, not Central. Just going to switch over to Birmingham. I wonder if he's live on this YouTube channel. Don't know. I'm thinking about just ending it here. It really is. Like, really useless. Let's see what David's doing.
Is this free? No, it's not. I have
Man,
paid $25.
no wonder why. Because you all left and David's also watching it as well. He's still a good person. Yeah, he's watching the Jasper Storm as well, like I am too. I want to see if there's any rotation in. So that's the Jasper Storm. Is there any rotation near the Shoot. Near Yazoo City. Pretty sure I just missed that. Mississippi, Jackson. Nice, I got a new follower. I should probably tell David this. Um, oh, he left. What happened? Hold on. I don't know what happened there. Um, Here, I'm gonna try to get people from his stream. Now, I'm not trying to steal his views or anything, but, I'm gonna try and see if anybody wants to watch my stream here as well. Says he's not feeling well. Oh, come on. Alright, I guess that's done there. Y'all guys, yeah, I'm getting nobody to watch here. So I'll probably just go into here, guys. But I'll do uploads on my Twitter account, though. It's Storm101 underscore, well, no, it's Storm underscore 101. Hopefully you'll enjoy this live stream here. Since nobody's watching it, I'm going to end it here. And I'll see y'all.